Digital marketing is a big space, and I think a lot of business owners out there are probably approaching it with a little bit of where do I start?
Yeah.
What would be some of your key learnings that you can share with us as to how should people consider this? Where should they start?
Yeah, absolutely. Great question, Mike. I definitely recommend work out your target audience. So through user personas, the websites like Concast that you can go on and actually find out who your target audience is. Once you've worked out your target audience, then you can work out which social media channels, say for example, that they live on. So once you've done that, also then work out your branding and the voice behind your business. Are you a fun sort of business? Are you a professional business? That personality, that messaging, that unified messaging needs to be coming across all through your social media channels. So once you work that out, then you can then progress into actually getting into the social media side of things.
So when people come to you, are there some things that you often wish that they kind of had done beforehand, sort of like done their homework before they approach a business like Alika? Some things that you can say to people like, get this started first before they even consider coming to a full-service digital firm like yourself?
Yeah. It all varies, to be honest
Yeah.
with you, Mike. I mean, sometimes it's great if they've got the website already, then we can work with that. But other times, if they've just got some social media presence, for example,
Yep.
we can work with that as well. So it all depends. I mean, wherever a business is, we'll take it and we'll run with it.